Hello, I am Niyata Somanna.
And I am watching from Excel Public School in Mysore, India.
Rice is a widely consumed staple food that comes in many flavors and forms. However, eating refined carbohydrates like white rice regularly can lead to health issues over time. Research by the Harvard School of Public Health found that people who consume 3 to 4 servings of white rice daily are 1.5 times more likely to have diabetes than those who consume the least amount of white rice. White rice has a high glycemic index and can cause blood sugar spikes. Additionally, a diet high in refined carbohydrates can increase the risk of cardiovascular diseases and obesity.
Despite knowing the potential health risks, many individuals continue to include white rice in their daily diets due to factors like family preference, taste, diet restrictions, and regular consumption. However, some people are willing to adapt healthier lifestyles by incorporating millets into their daily meals.
We propose a multigrain rice pack that combines millets with rice in various ratios to offer different tastes and provide additional nutritional benefits. Our packaging incorporates nut theory to encourage customers to make a healthier food choice.
We highlight the health benefits of the product, use positive messaging and prompts, and emphasize the positive environmental impact of choosing sustainable packaging and locally sourced, ethically produced grains. By promoting the benefits of eating locally sourced food, we hope to reduce the carbon footprint of the food industry and support local agriculture.
Millets are a healthier option than rice due to high dietary fiber and protein content, lower glycemic index, and better vitamin and mineral profile. Millets are also gluten-free alternative for those with gluten intolerance and can replace refined white rice or supplement a mixed rice and millet diet.
We conducted a series of experiments to explore the benefits of combining different types of millets with rice. In the first experiment, rice and millets were cooked separately, while in the second experiment, they were cooked together. The third experiment involved cooking rice with broken sorghum, and the fourth experiment mixed rice with all millets except for finger millet, pearl millet, and jowar. The study found that the combining rice with different types of millets provides a nutrient-rich, fiber-rich, and filling meal.
How it is?
It is rice.
How it is?
If selected in the top 100, we plan to extend our project by incorporating diverse grains, sourcing locally grown grains, developing marketing strategy, exploring sustainable packaging options, and working with a nutritionalist to ensure that the multigrain rice pack meets the dietary guidelines.
We thank our mentor Gopinath for guiding us through this project. We sincerely hope that the outcome of this project will benefit people of all age groups and help them lead healthier lives. Thank you.